Hiya, it's me Janira and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'll be showing you how I did this makeup look. This is my own take on a Valentine's date night or day look. It's just simple and I am not a makeup artist. I just love doing makeup and I don't even know if I'm doing it correctly. I'm just doing what I think I'll be doing on a Valentine's date night. And with this makeup look, I've only used Makeup Revolution products, which I think I've got loads. So what I've done is a full face using Makeup Revolution products. And yeah, without any further rambling, if you want to see how I've done this makeup look, just keep on watching. Let's start with the Revolution Pro Prime Aqua Priming Base. This is just a primer spray and that's really handy primer if you're on the go and you want to do your makeup real quick. This is a good one. So just a little mist. Smells nice. It's not sticky or anything. It's just nice. And then I would just be using this Ultra Strobe cream. It's a cream highlighter that you can use all over your face or on the areas that you want to highlight. So I think I'm just gonna apply it right onto my cheekbones. I don't know if you can see it, but it turns out to be a little bit goldy. Yeah, shimmery, goldy shimmery. Can you see it? Yeah, I like it. And since I haven't found any foundation or BB cream or any base makeup from the Makeup Revolution, I'm not really sure if they've done one, that I couldn't just find it. So I'll just be using my own foundation and I'll get back to you. So that's it for my makeup base. And now I'll be doing my concealer. I've got 3 of the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer. So I'm gonna use C5. It's under my eyes. And I've been using this for a whole month now and I've been loving it. And I already know that this product dries up easily. So if you'll be using this, you need to work really quick or in sections. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just blend it real quick. I really love how creamy this concealer is and it has a really good like full coverage. I have been raving about this from most of my videos. Like I've done a review, I've done my January favorites, and I've included this, and I just really love it. I just love it. And look at that. It just covered up my dark circles. Now I'm just gonna use the other shade, which is C8, to conceal all my spots. Just use my clean finger. Just cover all those spots, which certainly do have a lot at the moment. Look at that, it's really nice. Love it, love it. That's it. And then I'm just gonna need to powder this quickly to avoid creasing. I will be using this luxury banana powder, of course from Makeup Revolution. I haven't tried banana powder before and this would be my first time to try this, so we'll see. I'm not really good at baking. So that's the banana powder. I will do my eyebrows while waiting for the banana powder. So I've got here the course, Makeup Revolution HD Pro Brows. It looks like this. It has got like cream and powder brow products, and then these highlighters right here. That's really nice. And it has got this wax bit in here. I don't really know how to use all these products, but I think we'll just be using some powder products because I don't use wax base for my eyebrow. I will just be using this shade right here. What I always do is just line my brows first. I need a little concentration. This powder product is really pigmented. And then once you've achieved the shape that you like, just fill in brows. That's it. I really love this brow product. This is the first time that I've used it, and it's really pigmented and easy to apply, so that's really good. I just don't have like a brow gel, but I think this would be enough for me. And yeah, I will just be doing the other brow and get back to you. So here are my brows, and I've just cleaned the edges using the same concealer that I've used, and now I'm just gonna dust off the banana powder. Ooh, look at that. It's really good. It brightens my under eye. Really good. I love that. And I think the banana powder suits my skin, like my complexion, my skin color, so it's really nice. Now I'm just gonna powder all over my face using this pressed powder in a shade Translucent. This is the first time I'm gonna use this. Ooh, she's really good. Just made my skin look so flawless. And what's next? Oh! I just forgot to contour. I've got a contour here. It's Ultra Contour Kit. It looks like this, but this is a cream contour. And I was planning to use this concealer, and I've just powdered my whole face. Well, I will just be bronzing up my face, so I'll be using this Bronze Shimmer Highlight. It says highlight, but it's a very dark shade, so I'll be using these shades. Might be these two shades right here just to contour my face. Let's just hope this will work. Using a slanted brush. Oh, it's really nice. It's not as shimmery as I was expecting it to be, but we'll see. So I would just be applying all over my face where I usually contour my face. It's really good. I'm just gonna contour my nose. I just realized I wasn't filming. Oh dear. So what I've done was I've applied the Focus and Fix Eye Primer just to prime my eyelids. And yep, I am now just applying the shade Pancake all over my lid. And then what I'm gonna do is I'll be using the shade Peaches right here just onto my crease. This is the first time that I'll be using this eyeshadow palette, and I'm not surprised how pigmented and how blendable this would be, because I've been using a lot of Makeup Revolution's eyeshadow palette and they're all amazing, and people have been raving about this, so won't say much. So you guys all know I'm not a makeup artist, don't even know the technical terms to use, but I'm just doing what I think I will be doing on a date night. So here it is. I'll be using the shade Strawberry Sweets. Just, ooh, this is so pigmented. Just on the outer corner of my eye. Then I'll be using this shade right here, which is called Danger, just right in the corner. I'm trying to do a little bit of cut eye right there. And just go back onto the sweet berries and just blend. Blend, blend, blend. Then just blend it again. You know the key for the nice eyeshadow is blending. Then what I'm gonna do is put a little bit of concealer just in the middle of my eyelid, just to clean it up and prepare it for the shimmery shadow. Flat brush. So that's where I would want the glittery shimmery shadow. So I will just be using this right here, which is pink champagne, and I will be packing it and just apply. Ooh, I think I will just be using my finger. I'll be using this purpley shade right here, which is Mixed Berries, just to, what do you call this, blend, like a transition from the matte shade to the shimmery shade. So there would be no harsh line. Really impressed with this eyeshadow because it is really pigmented and I love it. And now just blend, blend, blend. And then I will just be using this shade Danger down at the bottom of my eye. And then just the champagne, what do you call this? Pink champagne. Just the shade Bitches, just to blend. I think that's it. I really like it. I like how it turned out. I love it. I don't usually use eyeliner, so I haven't bought eyeliner with me. So I'm just gonna put on mascara because I wasn't able to buy mascara as well. So I'll get back to you. So mascara is now on and it's looking really lovely. And now what I am left to do is my blush, highlight, and my lips. So let's proceed with the blush. And I've got blush dream palette right here. And I will just be using like this shade right here. Yeah, most of my tricks. And then I've got so many highlighters to choose from. I've got this highlighter part of the blush kit, and I've got this Ultra Strobe Balm palette. They're like cream highlight, so I won't be able to use this because I've already powdered my face. And I've got this strobe lighting palette as well, which is really nice, but I won't be using that. And I've got this Skin Kiss palette, which is really lovely. I won't be using that because I will be testing out, of course, Soph X. Looks like this. And I would probably be using this shade right here. Ooh. Well, already expected that because a lot of people have been saying so many lovely things about this. And look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? I love it. So that's it with highlight, and now let's proceed with my lips. So I think I will just be using this one, and I will be using lip liner from this lip kit. So I'm just gonna line my lips with this royal shade. And then I will be using this lip Euphoria. This is a glossy finish. I like it. I think it turned out really well. I love the color combination. I like it. I think that's it. That's my own take of a Valentine's Day look. Whether you'll be going on a date night or, I don't know, just be spending the whole day on your own at home, you'll still be looking pretty with this look. And I love how pink it is because I just love pink. Oh, before I forget, I'm gonna use the Pro Fix Makeup Fixing Spray just to set all things up. And yeah, ooh, fine mist. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I did enjoy using Makeup Revolution products, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And hope you enjoy your Valentine's Day. See you in my next video. Bye!